Hey guys, how you doing?
Welcome back to the vlog channel. We're back in the UK now.
I know.
Which is so sad.
I know, it is really cold. We've lost a fence from the wind
I know, it's so annoying. But we've caught a pretty good day today, haven't we? Like,
yeah,
it's pretty sunny.
It's a nice day, so we're gonna like do some updates for you guys.
Yeah, we've just missed like vlogging just regularly back at home.
Well, I know, because like we do a lot of the travel vlogs now, and they take a long time to edit. But
they do, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice just to do a vlog around the house and stuff, isn't it?
Yeah,
really?
and Sky has an update for you guys. We actually have made her a room, so let's go check it out.
Since the closing of RX Home, you know we turned Sky's, well, RX Home's Instagram into Sky's.
Yes, and look, there she is. Basically, this was a spare room. It was like the junkyard of the house. We just used to put like parcels in here, everything.
Yeah, but we thought we would clear it out.
Yep.
And we were like, we have so much stuff for Sky. You've been doing all these wish videos.
Exactly, and we have nowhere to put it because we don't want it laying around the lounge because it takes up a lot of space.
Yeah, so we thought, well, let's put it all in here.
Yeah.
You want to give a little tour?
Yeah.
Come on then.
I mean, it still looks not that great because there is like a couple of junky bits in here, but we are definitely going to like redecorate it a little bit, maybe put some pictures up.
Yeah.
But Sky seems to like it.
We've got a teepee there.
Yeah, you guys might recognise the teepee from my main channel.
I think she likes the tunnels the most.
She does, and she
then
has all of her toys in here.
yeah, and then she's got her cat tree there, which I made her a few years ago. A couple of beds and stuff, but
yeah, she's got all of her toys laying around. She just comes in here to play, and it's so cute.
yeah. Oh, do you want to tell them about your adventure, Sky? Your adventure on Instagram? It sounds like she does.
To say.
Basically, Sky had a contact on Instagram, didn't she?
Yes, she did.
She's been gifted something.
Oh my god, literally I couldn't. When they got in touch, I couldn't believe it. Look at her.
She's a little superstar now.
She is.
Shall we show them?
Yeah.
Go on, let's have a look. So this is Sky's new toy. This was gifted to Sky, so thank you very much.
It looks like a UFO, doesn't it?
Yeah, so this is a litter robot. It does look like a UFO, but it was
does.
like, I don't know, we were amazed when it came out of the box how big it was.
Yeah.
But yeah, what's this? You want to tell them about that, Sky? So basically, the litter robot, you only have to clean once a week. It's got this drawer here that you pull out. You literally just empty it once a week. And it's so convenient, isn't it?
It is. It's so cool. Like, can we show them how it works?
I think so. She still is a little bit freaked out by it. She's getting used to it. But
she is.
Basically, when she uses it, it has like a 5-minute or 7-minute or 15-minute timer.
Mm.
And then it
like cleans it by itself, so it kind of like sieves the litter, like the clean litter, into a separate thing, and if there's any like clumps of wee or the other thing, then it basically just goes through, doesn't it?
Yeah, and even after a week there's no smells or anything, so it's quite good at containing that.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's got the sieve there, and it literally just empties into the drawer. And you only have to, oh sorry, I got Sky there. And you only have to worry about it once a week.
Yeah, she likes to watch it as it goes through the cycle. She's like, what's going on?
Well, at first she was really freaked out by it, but no, she's getting quite a bit better with it.
Yeah.
Sky, what are your key points for this video? You've got to remember your lines, haven't you?
Bless
this is your deal.
This is her brand deal. Can you imagine if she had a brand deal? Bless her. Cutie, you like your new litter box?
Don't worry, we'll get in touch with Whiskers.
Oh, she'd love that. Yeah, so basically this is what it does. It has like a hole right there. I don't know if you guys can see. And then, yeah, all the clumps go down there and then it rotates back.
It's very smart.
It's very smart. She's a posh kitty. Mm. Okay, we stopped off at Greg's because we're hungry. We haven't had breakfast or lunch.
Yeah, well, we're on our way to HomeSense to get some bits for the house. Mm. But yeah, got to do a necessary stop at Greg's. The vegan steak bake.
We're just like doing the same thing.
It's amazing.
To die for, literally so
like,
good.
I don't know, what do you prefer, the steak bake or the sausage roll?
Oh, that's a hard one. I like both.
We always get both.
Oh, we get both and we just have like one of each. We're so fat with one of each.
Yeah, we're really bad. One of each. I usually get a good couple of sausage rolls for the fridge to warm up later.
It's just like, if you guys haven't tried this, oh my god, it's so good. Like, the steak pieces inside, like I've never had real steak, but it is so good.
I like it. I mean...
And the sauce is like so nice. It's kind of like an onion gravy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very saucy, but yeah, we're gonna go to HomeSense now. Also, actually, we're not done with the St. Lucia videos yet. We did our 2 vlogs. But we've also made like a top 5 more informative kind of style video.
Yeah.
Haven't we?
Yeah, so that's coming soon.
Yeah.
Matt's working
It's
on
a
it.
bit more work to edit it together because we haven't done anything like that before with like voiceovers.
Yeah, we want to kind of start more informative like travel things as well as just like regular vlogs, because I feel like it's beneficial for people who want to like travel somewhere and they want to know like all the details kind of thing.
Yeah, like the actual details. Yeah. Yeah, that I think it's like worth doing.
Yeah.
Or giving it a go anyway.
Okay guys, so we have arrived at Homesteads. I almost forgot the name then.
Look at that. That's 1999. That's really nice actually.
That is nice. We found some really cool things actually. This is really cool. Makes me think of Bali.
I know.
Really
and
like it.
These.
Oh yeah, these are awesome. They're like £70, but they're pretty cool.
I really like this planter though. It's only £35.
Yeah, this is £35. I actually kind of want it, but I don't know where I'd put it. But I really like this kind of thing because it's kind of like industrial, but I don't know, it just matches our house, doesn't it?
It would go inside.
Yeah.
You could put it outside, but you could put it inside too.
Yeah, I guess. So Matt has just found a gem.
Yeah, well, we were looking for a chest to go in our hallway, somewhere to like store letters and things like that.
This is perfect. We've looked at like Next, haven't we?
Yeah, Next, they're all really expensive. Any sideboards are like $4.99, $3.99,
Yeah.
a lot of money, but this would probably do the job.
This is really nice. Again, I love the industrial like effect of it, of the legs, and then the wood is really nice too. I mean, it's not perfect, but I quite like that.
That's
I think
one
it's.
of those passports in the
I think it's like handmade, isn't it?
So we just checked out with a fake plant that we bought, and
It looks like this.
yeah, it looks like that one.
And then we didn't see there's this one. This one was like further down there. We didn't walk to this point, and this one looks so much nicer. Like the leaves are actually so realistic looking compared to that one.
And we've already checked out and paid for it, but that one's £30 more.
I really want it.
I don't know, I prefer it too.
What do we do?
We've already just taken the other one to the car. I knew we should have left it by the till and just like had a walk around, but
We should have.
alright,
Maybe we'll
we'll have
get
a think
it.
about it.
I'm making Matt do the walk of shame. You're gonna have to carry it. They're gonna be like, how many plants do they want to buy exactly?
It's a lot heavier than the other one.
They have a lot of interesting ornaments here, don't they?
Yeah, there's so many things I like.
Everything's amazing here because they have like so many things that are imported from different countries like Thailand and India a lot actually. They have a lot of things from India
Yeah.
and it's like handmade. It's really cool. So
Just about got them in the car.
we ended up buying it.
We made some purchases, didn't we?
We did. We'll do a little haul when we get back.
Yeah.
Okay, we're home now. I am literally out of breath from carrying this in with Matt, but we're finally going to put it in place. We haven't had any furniture here for like the whole time since we moved in, and it's always been like a really empty corner, hasn't it?
The previous people that lived here had something there.
They did, yeah.
And I think, I don't know, it's just a weird dead space. Like,
I think it would just be really nice to like store receipts and letters and leaflets and that kind of thing.
yeah, because we're currently sort of storing it there. It's a bit of a mess. And we've got loads of receipts like down there. So.
And then we've got 2 plants as well. This one, look how freaking tall that is, so I think that's going to have to go upstairs.
No, I think that can go. Oh, it could go upstairs. Yeah, you're right. Oh, it could go.
Isn't the ceiling a bit higher up there?
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. We can see. If not, it can go in the office.
Yeah, it could do. It's really nice. But this one's nice too. I don't really know where I'm going to put this yet. Alright, are you going to be alright lifting that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks perfect there.
Is it?
Oh my god, and it doesn't come out too much from the wall, which I like.
It's not often we shop and buy things.
I know, not for the house anyway.
It's really exciting when we do.
I know. Oh my god, I love it. It's so nice. Sky likes it too.
Oh, that fits perfectly.
Because we've got plugs there as well.
Is that about in the middle?
Yeah, and then I also got this. I was thinking of putting that literally on here. How does that look? Oh, that looks nice.
It could go on there or it could go to the side.
Yeah, probably on the side. Yeah.
And we've got this little thing. This was $7.99.
Yeah, this is so nice. I don't know what it's made from, but it's like so cool and like handmade.
I don't know, because it's so light, you know, I would say like bamboo, but I can't imagine
bamboo being round
how
like
they
that.
can- yeah.
If anyone knows what that is made from, it's super
so
light.
Yeah.
Let us know.
It's tough as well.
Yeah, so the guy wrapped it really nicely for us because otherwise we probably wouldn't have got it in the car. I kind of want to put that off to the side and make like a little jungle corner.
Oh, that would be amazing.
That would be like such Bali vibes, wouldn't it? Speaking of Bali, actually, we want to kind of chat to you guys about an idea we have for our wedding. We finally set the date. I kind of tweeted about it briefly, but we wanted to let you guys know a little bit more detail about it, didn't we?
Yeah, I mean, it would be in June 2021.
Yeah.
We've decided
So,
that,
like,
so a
over
year and a half.
Yeah.
And like we just kind of looked at Bali briefly, like just as a, you know, oh, why if we got married in
Yeah,
Bali?
because we love Bali so much.
But anyway, it turns out that we would really like it, so we contacted the family.
Yeah.
And I will show you guys some places that we've been looking at in a bit. One place was where we had that romantic dinner.
Yeah, Kamandalu
Kamandalu.
Resort, yeah.
Yeah.
I just can't wait to like start planning it. We're like in the very early stages of it.
Well,
but
we
I'm
have
getting
kind of
so
started
excited.
planning it a little bit. Yeah, we kind of looked at some videographers and stuff like that. But let's get these unpacked and we'll go through it.
So Matt's just put the 2 trees there and he goes, we live in Bali! I was like, look outside the window, I think you'll think twice, but...
I mean, they're not going there, are they?
No.
I just kind of wanted to put them there.
It just
look
looks...
at the plants.
I know, it does look cool.
Unreal. As much as I'd love real plants, I just...
Well, Sky will eat them, so we can't have
She
any.
eats them.
Yeah.
Yeah, like all that.
But it looks so cool. Now I've just got to find a place for this one and this one to go somewhere.
And last things we picked up were some kind of like baskets, which were really cool. These were $12.99.
Yeah, they're really awesome.
And this one has like, what would you call that?
It's like a shell.
It's like a
detailing.
mosaic in a way.
Yeah.
We thought these might be really nice for like picnics or something.
Yeah, looking forward to the summer.
I know, in the summer we always have like when we make sandwiches and stuff, we like take them out to the garden. We thought, oh, these will be cute.
Yeah, and I love this. And again, it just reminds me so much of like the things and the trays that they would use when we went to Bali.
Oh, like the floating breakfast.
Yeah, they would bring out all
What
of...
the hell?
Sky!
What are you doing?
Naughty girl! See, this is what I mean. She eats
Look at
fake
that.
plants, let
Just
alone
take-
real plants.
She's just taking a bite out of it.
Naughty girl!
You cannot do that.
No, she loves that. No, but she's so naughty. She always eats, even tries to eat my fake plants as well, doesn't she?
Yeah.
So we wanted to chat to you guys a bit about our wedding plans because we're very excited about it, aren't we?
Yeah, we're thinking of getting married abroad, possibly in Bali, and it would just be a small group of just close friends and
Maybe
family.
about 20 people. Like, literally, we don't know that many people at all, so we want it to be quite intimate anyway.
Yeah, so the plan would be like, we always wanted to do like a holiday with our family anyway.
Yeah, like
so
a
we
big
thought-
family holiday.
Yeah.
That's like my dream.
So we thought like, well, this would kind of be cool because you could have a wedding out there and have like a really big holiday.
And it
as a
wouldn't be
family.
over in like one day, because that's another thing. Like, I don't want to have a wedding, spend all that money, and then like it literally be over the next day. Like, I think
Yeah.
that's really sad.
I know. I mean, what you get for the money in the UK is just like, oh, that's all you get for that
Yeah.
amount of money. It's crazy. If you take that same amount of money abroad, you get quite a lot more for it.
Yeah, exactly. And we were speaking to Imogen and Spencer as well, because they had their wedding, I think, in Tuscany. And they said it just comes out so much cheaper abroad. So we were like, okay, well, this is a bit of inspiration for us.
What's the average wedding price in the UK? What?
30,000? No.
The average
What?
total cost of a wedding in 2019 was 31,000.
Oh my god. I could not spend that money on one day. But that must be for like 100 people plus, surely, to like feed all those people.
31,000? You must have invited the postman and everything. I mean,
Yeah.
that's like 200 people, sure.
Wow, that's actually
mean,
unreal.
When we have like talked about it, we were like, oh, we'd love to do a wedding for like £5,000.
Yeah, that was before we started researching into it. We didn't know how much anything cost.
Yeah, and I couldn't even have imagined spending like more than that really on
No.
a day, but I guess it's unrealistic now.
Yeah.
But I think the thing is, in Bali, we seem to be able to get accommodation and wedding for the whole family
Yeah.
for the price of just a wedding in the UK.
That you would just pay in the UK. So
and the
we're like,
venues
well,
are like...
up there.
They're,
Like,
like,
you can't
amazing.
get that kind of thing in the UK.
This is kind of like one place we're looking at. This is where we had our romantic dinner, you might remember, from our trip to
Yeah.
Bali.
It was beautiful.
What was the starting price for a wedding at this place? I'm sure it was like between £1,500
yeah.
and £2,000.
It wasn't a lot at all
That's
compared.
that was for the venue, like all the amazing decorations.
Yeah.
The thing is, in Bali, you don't have to worry because they are the best hosts
Yeah,
in the world.
literally,
Like,
look how
they are
beautiful
amazing.
like this location even is, and there's barely any decorations apart from like the table and stuff. But like
Yeah.
just that picture there, it was insane already.
But you know they're going to be the best hosts because when you just go there to stay in a room for a couple of nights, like the effort they go to, the attention to detail, it's like you just don't get it in the UK.
No, you really don't.
Like they really care and they're really proud.
Another place we were looking at is really, really beautiful, but it is quite pricey to stay there, so we probably wouldn't like stay the night at this resort. We'd probably just do the ceremony here. But
Yeah.
they have like the best photos. Look at this.
Well, on Airbnb, they've got really good photos. That's why we're on there.
Look how beautiful that is. Like, there's the seating there. They have like this canopy thing. It's just beautiful.
They have like 5 locations, I think, that you can get married at on their site.
Look, I can totally see myself getting married here. Like, this is just so awesome. Look, it's so beautiful. And you can get such amazing photos as well, because, I mean, it's like literally in the jungle. There's also another place at this resort that you can get married, not just by the pool. There's also this like dedicated platform, and you can walk down to it, and it just looks awesome. Look at this. Like, it's actually crazy.
That's pretty incredible, isn't it?
Yeah.
Basically, because it's such a long way, usually if you were like getting married in Europe, you'd probably cover a couple of nights for your guests.
Yeah, like a long weekend or something.
But because it's so far, it seems that what most people do when they're travelling that far is like maybe cover a week or something.
Yeah.
But accommodation in Bali is very reasonable.
It is. You can get like a 7-bedroom villa for like 1,500 for like
for
14 people basically. It's ridiculous how like, cheap it is.
We've looked at a few places.
This is currently my favourite place. This has 7 bedrooms in it. It has a freaking game room. Like, what? Look at this.
So this is like a mansion with a private bar and restaurant.
Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. And then it also has like these little pods, which are like private rooms in the garden area.
Yeah.
I literally fell in love with it.
This is a little bit on the higher end of our budget, really. It depends on all the other costs and what they add up to.
Oh, it's just so gorgeous. I want to stay here so bad.
And then this one is a resort which you can hire out every bedroom. It has 7 bedrooms in total.
It does, yeah. So nice and so private. You'd get like the whole resort, like just to our family pretty much, which is insane. I literally can't believe it. Like, we'll actually get a holiday for a whole week and our family for the same price that we would get a wedding for one day in the UK. Like, it's actually mad. Like, why isn't everyone doing this?
Well, I don't know. And the thing is, we always kind of wanted to get married in a different location in the UK, like something a bit different, like foresty or woody or something like that. And this ticks all those boxes. Yeah. And there's so many places you can do it in Bali, whereas in the UK, you're so limited. I couldn't
think of any. Literally, I tried to search for places in the UK where you could get married in the woods, and there's not many at all.
This is kind of looking like the best option.
Yeah, I'm really excited. I don't want it to be a year and a half away though. Like, I want it to be this summer, but it's too late. It's too late.
I mean, everything's booked up for this summer.
Yeah.
The good thing about a year and a half is all the accommodation's available.
It is, yeah. So we're basically just trying to see what the best options are, and we'll keep you guys updated as we go on our journey.
But we have been looking at flights.
Yeah.
So we're thinking
maybe we'll go this year, because
this year.
I kind of want to see the venue before we like commit to anything. Yeah. I mean, that's what you do. When you plan a wedding in the UK, you want to see the venue, you want to sample the foods, so it just makes sense really to go like a year in advance.
Yeah, to check it out. I think that's definitely a good idea. We're actually also going to Norway in 4 weeks. Norway? No, we're going to Norway.
What's Norway?
I was thinking of something with an M, and then I was like, oh no, we're going to Norway. So we're off to Norway, aren't we?
Yeah, in literally like a month.
Yeah.
It was Matt's Christmas present, but we're also taking Matt's dad, Luca, who is like Matt's brother-in-law, and your little bro as well.
But we haven't booked any accommodation.
We've booked one.
One place.
Yeah. No, we booked 2. We booked 2, but we have to like, because we're travelling from Oslo to Bergen. Yeah. It's quite a long drive, so we have to like stop off in between.
Yeah, I don't even think we're going to go right to the north of Norway.
No.
Like, above the Arctic Circle like we did in Finland.
It would have been good, but maybe another time.
I'm just looking forward to the McDonald's.
Oh my god, the McDonald's is going to be so good. They have a muck vegan out there. Oh my lord. We had it in Finland and it was just beautiful.
I was sad to leave it behind.
I know. I think I'm actually going to get one this time and take it on the plane back home.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, maybe like 2.
Yeah. It won't go mouldy or anything.
No, where's McDonald's? Let's be real. Oh, I'm quite sad she won't get to come to our wedding. She could be the flower girl. Make sure you guys follow her on Instagram. I post really cute photos of her.
Look at her. She's just so photogenic. What? Look at her. She's just turning away from the camera.
She's like, I'm a model now. Please don't take my photo.
Look at her. She's like, what? Oh, man.
Bless her.
Well, I think we've pretty much showed you guys everything we're looking at so far.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah, we're very excited, and we thought we would, let you guys come on the journey with us of like planning it. Obviously, once we go to Bali, potentially this year, we'll also vlog that, and we'll kind of show you guys the process of looking at the venues and everything, if you're interested.
If it's something you'd be interested in, we could include quite a lot of details.
Oh, yeah,
like
sure.
prices and things like that.
I want to be as informative to you guys as possible because we're doing this for our first time as well. So
and we've only seen one other couple on YouTube get married in Bali, and they like kind of documented like really detailed like costs, everything to think about. So yeah, maybe it'd be good to do something like that. Yeah. All right. Well, I think we should probably end the video here.
That's probably a long one, but I hope you guys enjoyed. We're really enjoying like vlogging at home as well, so
yeah,
definitely going to get into it more.
I think we're probably going to spend the whole evening, like a good 3 or 4 hours now, just looking at venues.
Yeah, probably.
Like yeah. So yeah, we'll catch up with you guys soon then.
Yeah. See you next time.
All right. See you guys. Bye.